Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the Mophie Juice Pack Ultra. This is what this little bad boy is here. Mophie Juice Pack Ultra. And this is essentially a wireless charging battery pack that doubles as a protective case. They come in all different sizes for different iPhones. This one's for the iPhone 6. I just upgraded, so now this one is not really in use anymore, but before it was, and it was a lot. And probably end up getting one for my iPhone 8 now, but yeah. So I'll talk a little bit about it. This one is white, as you can see. It's white, slick all the way around. So they do have a pretty wide variety of colors. It's made of plastic. Very durable plastic at that, but it is made of plastic. Nothing too crazy, you know, yeah. That's that. So actually using this thing is really, it's really nice, very handy. And it works great as a charger, which is like, the reason I bought it. I wanted to be able to charge my phone, in minutes without me needing to be like near an outlet or anything. It's really great for on-the-go use. There was a while when I was flying a lot. So, being able to fly back and forth and have this, in your phone the whole time, just continuously charging it, very nice, very easy. It just makes sense. So it looks from a distance like it could be a bit bulky, but once you put your phone inside of it, you'll realize that it actually doesn't add that much more weight. Again, it's very lightweight too. It's made of that kind of plastic. You have these like rubberized pads on the inside. They're basically, just to keep your phone really safe, scratch free, protect your phone in case it falls too. It's something good that can, take in hits really nicely. The corners are also a bit raised, as you can see on the sides. Once you put your phone in, the corners are raised. And that's essentially so, if you drop it face first on a flat surface, it's not going to crack your screen. So that can be super helpful. Yeah, overall, it's very lightweight. It's got like a fairly thin profile once you actually put it on. To put the phone in, you got to take this thing off. I like that. It's handy. It makes it so you don't have to like stretch the case over your phone or bend it. Just take it out, slide your phone in, put the top on, and you're ready to go. And it's really, I like that sort of design. Even with the amount of casing over here, you still have all the ports accessible. So as you can see, you still have your USB port that's right down here. You still have the headphone jack, which that was the last one they used it for. Headphone jack. You have the two volume buttons right here. And then this little thing to turn your sound on and off. So yeah, you really have everything on here. And you also have the camera port right here, so you can still, take pictures and all that jazz. At the very bottom, these two little things right here are basically forward-facing speakers, so your sound's going to go into there and come out the front. It actually, in a weird way, amplifies your sound much better having this on as compared to just listening with your iPhone, because it's coming at you rather than down. So actually, it's a nice little feature. It works really well. On the back of the actual unit, you have these little lights right here. And this basically, you can see how much the actual thing is charged up. So the lights will go down as you start to lose charge, and it works when you're actually using the phone inside of it. But it's actually really nice. It gives you kind of a good idea of how much charge you have left, how much juice you have left, so you know if you need to start going and charging again or not. But yeah, overall, it's a really solid little case. I was very happy with it. I use it a lot when I have my older iPhone, and I would definitely get one again. I probably will, like, very soon, especially if you're someone who's constantly on the go and doesn't have time to sit and wait for your phone to charge an outlet, or doesn't have an outlet around you. If you're someone who's camping or constantly outdoors, it can be helpful as well. So yeah, again, this is the Mophie Juice Pack Ultra, and yeah, check it out, you guys. All right, take it easy.